Hello and welcome back to Investing for Generations, your channel for high quality stock research for long term value investor. And today I want to show you how I track my portfolio and want to give you an insight to the software I use. And I think this can be really very helpful just to track the portfolio, to know the performance, also compared to a benchmark. And so just let's go. And the software I use is called Portfolio Performance. And really, until some days ago, I really thought this is just in German. And then I found out, no, wait, they made progress and now it's also available in English. And so I want to show you where to find this software and how to use it. And of course, this have a lot of tools, so I can't show everything, but I can show you the main tools and the tools I use and which are very helpful for me. And you can find the free download, and this is very important. The whole software is for free, and of course this is even better. You find this under portfolioperformance.info. You will find the link down in the description. And really, with this software, you really can screen your whole portfolio and track your whole portfolio and have a lot of statistics. So check this out. This is really helpful. So go to this website, and then here you find the downloads, whatever you use, Linux, Windows, or Mac. You find the download here. And after you install the software, you come here just to the home of Portfolio Performance, and here you find a lot of help also, and so on. And today I will just want to show you some main tools of this software. And therefore I want to build with you a new file. And then first of all, we change the currency to US dollar. You find almost every currency here available. And so let's go down to USD. And then this software is split in security account and a reference account. And security account is your portfolio, your stock portfolio, ETF, whatever. And so let's say portfolio, and the reference account, let's say, is cash. And then you also can add more cash accounts. Maybe you have more than one cash account, different accounts, whatever. You can put this here together, and then you have a good overview over all of your accounts. And then we have a new file here. And then you have a deposit account. This is our cash account. And then you can deposit or removal, put interest, fees, taxes, whatever. And let's say we deposit here, let's say $10,000 and save. So now we have a balance of $10,000 in this cash account. And then you can also build here your portfolio in the security account, and therefore you have to search for the stocks you have, and I will do this for you. Let's say with Apple, AAPL, and search, and then we find here Apple on the Nasdaq. And then also here we have to change the currency again to US dollar, and then you get also real-time quotes, a real-time quote feed here from Yahoo Finance. Let's say okay, and here you also see the real-time quote, $128.16 right now, 0.65% down today. Let's say you have 20 shares of Apple. Then we say, okay, buy. He takes the money from the cash account here. And let's say 20 shares for the current price. And then you also can say the fees, whatever it is, you can put it here, taxes, whatever. This, of course, depends what broker you have and also, of course, where you live. So let's say let it as 0 here for this example. And then add another stock here, let's say Microsoft, and then we choose here Microsoft again, choose here again the US dollar, historical quotes again, Yahoo Finance. Okay. And then let's say also for Microsoft, let's say you also have here 10 shares. So then we will see that the $10,000, of course, in the cash is now just 5,293. And here you see all the transactions from this cash account. On the other side, on the security account, you see already you have Apple and Microsoft in your portfolio. And this you can do with all your stocks in your portfolio, with all the different things you have in your portfolio, with all the different accounts you have, and so on. So this is a little bit of work in the first place, but after that, you really have a nice overview over all your things in your portfolio and of all your accounts you have. What you can do with that, I will show you with my North American portfolio. So just switch to that. And also here you see my cash account, almost $17,000 in cash right now. Um, my security account with all the stocks in my portfolio currently. And then you have a lot of reports here on this side. I use most of, and you know this maybe from my uh, recent videos and also my insight to my portfolio. I use this holding, this pie of my portfolio. This is very nice to see how big is a part of every stock in my portfolio. This is very helpful for me just to balance this out. What's also very helpful for me is the performance. Here you see the performance of my portfolio since December 2nd of 2019. This was a day when I started this North American portfolio. And here you see portfolio with a performance of 43.77% compared to the S&P 500 here with a performance of 22%. So you can put here also your benchmark to just to compare. Very, very helpful just to know how good you perform to your benchmark. And also here, this you also know from my other videos, you find an overview of all your stocks in your current portfolio and the performance of every stock. So let's say here Caterpillar with a performance of 76.29% since I bought it, and also you find the purchase value, the purchase price, the market value, and the current price. And then you also find the dividends which are paid for the stocks and the absolute performance in dollar here. So this is also very, very helpful. And what's also very helpful is an overview of your received dividends. You can also put here, you can also put interest, other earnings you have, maybe taxes, whatever. You find really good overviews here. And this is, for example, the dividends by month. You can also do this for the quarter. Here, for example, you see in the first quarter of 2020, I just received $21.89 of dividends. And just now, the quarter just started, I received already almost $50, and so on and on. Also the year, of course, but this make not a lot of sense right now. But for example, you can see here that I received in 2020 a little bit over $1,000 in dividends. And then you also find an overview of your trades, and on top are all the finished trades and then also the open ones. And overall, you can see this is not a lot of transactions over the last 13 months since I started this portfolio. And so overall, this software helped me a lot. I highly recommend it. When you go to the website of Portfolio Performance, then you find up here the tutorial, and there really almost would say, every of the tools you have and possibilities you have with the software you find here. And I'm very sure I use by far not every tool, not every possibility in this software. It's really, really great. And so I highly recommend to check this out. So hopefully it will help you. And of course, if this information overall helped you, just give me a thumbs up. This helps the YouTube algorithm a lot. Subscribe to my channel and you will get a weekly insight to my portfolio, and you can see all of my transactions, my performance, and then we will see how this will work out over the long term and if I can hold or even expand my outperformance to the S&P 500. And also, if you are new to my channel, just a short reminder, you find a deeper analysis of every of these businesses on my channel. You find the link to the playlist up here on the screen. So feel free to check this out. And if you found any value of in this video or in some other, just subscribe to the channel and just join this group of long-term value investors. We are now almost 700 people. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel if you found any value and follow me on my road. And if you really liked the video, please give me a big thumbs up and ring the notification bell to never miss another video. And tell all your friends that here is a channel growing for long-term value investor. So see you then the next time with another analysis of another stock. Take care. Bye bye.